Nope. Nope. Okay. Like that? Okay. Hello guys, and you probably already guessed it. Yes, we're doing another reaction video. But this time, it's not Dude Perfect. It is, you probably already guessed it, Mr. Beast. So here's the thing guys, if you follow Mr. Beast like I do, you might have noticed like just earlier today he made another video called the $100,000 button. Okay, so and you probably already guessed it. Yes, we're going to be making another reaction video. Okay, and like the last one, I'm not sponsored by them, and yes, this is my first time watching it. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy it like I do. Oh, warning: if you guys haven't already seen it yet, you should probably press pause and go watch it first, then come back, because this video may end up spoiling it for you. Okay. And just like the last one, we're going to be doing no stopping and just going forward the whole time, because this one is 16 minutes long. So this is going to be a long video, okay? But until then, relax and let's do it. Here we go.
If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment, which probably makes you wonder, why would you press it? Well, one random press
there we go.
Be a punishment.
Also, I can tell when my face is shaking.
I prepped all my friends, and what plays out in this video is hilarious. You guys get the point. By pressing that, you can win this $100,000 here.
Here, let me make it a little bit brighter for you.
I don't care. Yeah.
There we go. Fill your underwear with mayonnaise. That's okay. That's humiliating and disgusting. Also, guys, I never had mayonnaise in my life. Okay? A 2x4 piece of wood. A 2x4 piece of wood.
It's gonna look like I took a dump. Oh no! I can feel things. It's so cold. Alright, let's go bash some babies against 2x4s.
Yeah, let's.
Here's a 2x4.
Alright.
And here's the baby. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you gotta break that in half.
It seems almost impossible that you could do that, right? With a baby.
Well, he's busy bashing babies. I'm pressing the button.
Alright, let's see. Skip a punishment.
Let's go! What that means is when you get a punishment you don't like, you get to press this button and skip it.
Whoa, that's good. That's good.
Nolan and Chandler, neither of you have pressed the button yet. One of you guys want to take a go?
Alright, it's Nolan. Go home and flush your toilet.
My home's in Nebraska.
Nebraska?
Let's go to the hotel you're staying at.
It's true. That's 15 miles away from North Carolina, where they actually live.
Chris is showering from the mayonnaise, and Tags is still busting a 2x4 baby. Who's pressing?
Good luck.
Years of knowing you says.
Alright, let's see what he got.
Someone and pie them in the face. Yes!
Wow.
It could have been you. Oh, hey, look who just walked back. Did you read the TV? No. All right, go.
It's like when he sees it, he goes, and then walking back outside because he's the one to be the one that's doing it. Oh, so he's helping the baby with the saw.
Did you actually break it?
It's amazing how they think that the baby did that. Okay, so let's take a minute, okay? So here's the thing, guys. To be honest, I've been watching him for years, and trust me, I would do anything to win, to be, or even be in one of his videos, okay? Alright, we're back.
You don't watch this video of Chris farting for 20 minutes. Alright, go watch Chris fart for 20 minutes.
Okay, that's both disgusting, but it's well worth it.
You got the most thick pie. Now I know if I'm
That's a very thick pumpkin pie. It's funny.
This is a 20-minute montage of Chris farting. Enjoy. You gotta watch it all.
Enjoy.
Red Bull gives you farts.
Oops.
Is this actually 20? Oh my god. Maybe we'll have better luck. If we press
Maybe. It says, slap yourself with a fake fish 100 times.
Oh my god.
Like,
who pressed it? I don't know. Here's the fish. 100 times? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I wanted to keep up so bad.
And no one is going to flush his toilet. Carl, I think you should join the party. Sit in a corner for an hour. Ha!
Okay, that's an easy one. That's a very easy one.
Hey, what? 69. Nice, nice.
31 there.
Oh. Let's get it. Do 100 push-ups. Oh,
Okay, I would skip that one, no question. It's so hard. Okay, that one I would most definitely do, most definitely. I wouldn't quit. I wouldn't quit. I would keep going.
You cannot push this button until you pee. So while you're sitting in the corner, Carl.
So he's pretty much gonna hold his pee the whole time, and then spread it out when he sees a more complicated challenge.
My sister is worth all this pain.
60, oh my god, 68.
Stay one.
You want to take a break sorting M&M's and go watch Chandler watch you fart for 20 minutes? Yeah, that sounds nice. Hey, bud.
Sounds really nice.
Farts. You're gonna get sleep tonight, and that's all you're gonna hear looping in your head is my fart. I'm sure your sister's farting. Get back to my M&M's.
This is so soothing to watch, am I right?
100, woo.
Congratulations on your 100 push-ups. Kick a field goal. We rented a football field. I'll text you the address. You gotta go.
Okay. Just to clarify, it's a football goal. It's a football goal. Man, he must be really happy to see that. Actually, here, I need to see that again. Okay.
A few moments later. Chandler is back. Let's see it. Pick a contestant to skip the next 10 turns.
Me.
Wait, so here's the thing. Is it or is it not okay to pick yourself when it says choose someone else to choose someone else to skip the next 10 turns? But still 10 is a really good number for in this case.
One of the next 10 ones could be the winner.
Might be.
Chandler just expelled himself for 10 button presses.
Sounds fair. Also, guys, I really have no idea how many there are until we actually get to the end. But it's really hard to say. Besides, this could take like the end of the day.
Really been gone for an eternity. I'm gonna call him and see where he is. Nolan, where are you? You've been gone for like 3 hours. I've been gone for like 20 minutes, bro. What are you talking about? No, you haven't. It's literally been an hour.
They're losing their minds.
My sister, I gotta get back as soon as possible. It's good. I have my pee bucket, my pee blanket, my pee.
Pee water. Pee.
That took forever.
No, it didn't. It says give away $1,000 to 10 random strangers.
I know you just got back, Nolan, but here's a briefcase with 10.
And it's very true because Mr. Beast loves giving people money in return.
We are about 13 button presses in, and so
13.
many crazy things.
That's a lot of bad things.
Nolan is giving away money. Chris and Carl in corners. Chandler's playing video games. It's crazy. I can't wait to see
Mr. Beast is a really crazy thing. It's a very crazy channel.
corner until I pee.
It's good.
We're giving away $1,000.
Oh my god.
Water, guys. Water. Stay hydrated.
$1,000 all around. You want $1,000? Yeah, one. There you go. Enjoy. That's it. I take it you peed?
Yes.
Oh, it smells. This one's 100K. This next
It's like the Tesla challenge where they had to pee.
Beat Minecraft. Carl now has to be.
Also, very quick confession, guys. Yeah, I think from this point forward, when I need to talk, I'm going to talk there because it's really hard going back and forth like this, like in the previous videos. Okay, but here's the thing, guys. I don't really play Minecraft. But my brother has never stopped. Neither has his friends, okay? Now, here's the thing. I know some people might hate that, but I have to be honest with you guys, okay? Okay, back to the video.
For a better chance at winning $100,000 for my sister right now.
That would be well worth it.
I'm done.
on. Oh, it's like this. Jimmy, I'm back to play. Okay, what's the next punishment?
Oh, come on. Why is that gotta be mine?
Moisten your right arm.
You brought it back.
Okay, next one.
Let Carl draw whatever he wants on your face. I need a moisturizer and I need a marker. And a Carl. Whoop, whoop.
It's very simple. Draw anything you want on your face. That would be soothing to watch, and it's gonna be.
Carl draws on your face, moisturize your right arm. Oh, Carl.
It's not that bad. You know, it looks like sour cream or just lotion.
I'm gonna go check on tags. I'll be right back.
Let's see.
If I don't like it, I can just not.
Get a 1 hour massage.
Let's go.
That's awesome.
1 hour massage. They're right here.
And they said they were punishment.
All right, this might seem like a good thing, but technically for the next hour, you can't press the button.
100 grand?
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Mom.
After 3 more presses, Chandler can start playing again. I got you, buddy.
Also, it could be maybe 30, 50 presses until the end is over. I really don't know.
Carl, buddy, how's it going?
It's good. I just got all the iron I'll need.
So how long till you win?
Realistically, an hour. I'm gonna be honest.
That's gonna be good for him.
Presses until you can play again. Pax is getting a massage. Nolan is giving away money. Carl's beating Minecraft, and you're just chilling. Time lapse.
Yeah, people love time
What
lapse.
do you have left? Make it
And to be honest, guys, I can't do time lapse on this video unless I have the opportunity, or at least in this channel.
I'm gonna go ahead and skip that one.
Sounds like a really good idea to skip. Choose who eats 5 chocolate-covered crickets. That's amazing. That's a great punishment.
You know what goes really good with a nice game of Minecraft?
Crickets.
Oh, Carl!
Oh, hey, man.
You got the gamer hungries?
Not really.
You want a gamer snacky?
I don't.
Didn't you throw a water bottle allegedly?
Allegedly, it didn't happen.
Actually, it did happen, Carl. It did.
One at a time, or you just poured done?
It's the texture. It's the texture. Oh my god.
Also, don't eat bugs, guys. It's crazy. I've been there before.
Can I get a kid?
And to be honest, I actually ate an ant and a mealworm. Trust me. It was not very good.
You now have to wear a princess helmet. Let's go.
That's kind of embarrassing.
Pick someone and send them to McDonald's wearing a Burger King costume.
Ooh, I like that one. I actually love that one.
Just finished giving away the $10,000. We're going back to press the button again.
Pop this balloon with a marshmallow.
Sounds really complicated because marshmallows are soft and balloons are really hard.
Driest chicken I've ever had in my life.
Hey, it happened.
So you beat Minecraft. Yes. Congrats. Let's go. Pick someone and stay handcuffed to them for the rest of the game.
Wow.
Unlock the correct lock.
Have fun with
What's that
You're
mean?
thinking, I'm gonna go get locks for Chris. This is
Oh.
Find which one it works for, and you can push the button again. It looks like one of these, so I'm gonna try all
Okay.
of these first.
There has to be at least 100 locks there.
Once you handcuff them, they can't come off until the end of the challenge.
Whoa.
Need to get
That's
a-
bad.
Jump in a swimming pool fully clothed. There's no swimming pool here. Go find one.
Wow.
joking. We're getting close to the $100,000 press. Could I please?
Who knows how close, but the end is near. The end is near, guys.
First, we gotta find out. Okay, so it's probably one of those.
He
I just speedrun it.
might take it to the very last lock to get it done.
No. Have fun. We were recording this
Chandler is such an imbecile when it comes to things like
I
this.
just can't show her. This video would be an hour long.
Oh, button!
Okay, wait, before you press it, what do you want to say to Chandler's sister right there? Because you might steal $100,000 from her.
I want to see
My-
$100,000 from you.
Well, you didn't. Open this present. Here is
Open the
giant
present.
I spent all morning wrapping.
What could be in that present? What is that?
I can't.
I literally cannot, actually.
I love how the guys handcuffed have to do this. It's hard. So bad.
It says,
Carl is not allowed to push the button for 5 turns.
Oh.
Can I use
wow.
Yeah, you could actually. All right.
Okay.
Get that punishment. Start a fire and put it out with a fire extinguisher.
Oh, that Okay, that sounds a little dangerous, actually.
Yes!
That was his.
Reminds me of Dude Perfect.
$4.20 in pennies.
That seems simple enough.
Go find
Okay, so
Hey,
so to be honest, just to clarify, he needs to give Jimmy 420 pennies because 100 pennies equals $1. So if you times that by 4, that's 400, and then the other 20 cents is just 20 other pennies. So 420
You
pennies.
got pennies? Chandler, you got some pennies? You got some pennies? No. You got pennies? You got any
Of course, they're not gonna have pennies. It's a studio.
Fire?
Fire! Nine. 10.
No pennies, so I go to the gas station to get some.
Give it a press.
My work.
Do you think this is it? You wanna? Just kidding.
Paint the side of the wall.
You have to paint this entire side wall.
Also, I'm not sure if I'm being crazy, guys, but you know, the walls actually look like the ones from Solitary Confinement, right? Like the same white squares. Build a gingerbread house. I like that one. 22 minutes over. Okay, that blanket's a really clever idea.
Here's some icing, here's some duct tape. You have to put it together. Right.
That's not so hard.
Back at the studio, apparently had pennies. Didn't ask enough people, I guess.
Whoa, that's clever and hilarious.
His text literally fell asleep. His 15 minutes ended 10 minutes ago, but he's still laying in bed.
He must like it.
Hey, your 15 minutes.
Where's the pennies? Oh, it's stuffed in your pants!
He stepped in the bucket of paint.
We're at 51. How many can there be?
51. That's 52.
For 10 minutes.
That's 52 presses.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it.
That's 53.
You are gonna press it? Alright, what is it?
That's 53.
Solve a difficult math
And to be honest, I'm very good at math.
Is a math problem, Chip?
Okay, it says 100,000 times 4 divided by 6 equals, plus 2753. Here, let me guys a closer look, okay? And to be honest, I can actually solve that, okay? Okay, so let's see if I can get it right before that, okay? So what you do is you take the 4 and the 100,000 and you times that, so that equals 400,000. Then you divide that by 6, and that equals 66,666. Don't ask how I know that, okay? And then you plus 27, 40, 30, 53. Okay. So, let me see. So, the 3 plus the 6 is 9. Then you... and then the 6 plus the 5 is 11, so you carry the 1. And then the 7 plus the 6 is 13. Then you carry that, so it's actually 14. So, that... And now the other 6 of the 2. That is 8 plus the other one that you carried left over. So that is 69,419. 19. So 60. Wait, let me do that again. So, okay, 68,719. That's what I'm guessing.
When you solve it, you get to press the button again.
I got pennies.
Did you go to a bank?
No.
So $1,
Huh?
$2, $3, $3.50. This is only $3.65.
Hey, 365. That's how many days in a year.
$3.20. This is actually the answer to the math equation.
Whoa, I was close. I was close.
Actually surprised. I thought they were just gonna quit.
That's
You're on
crazy
press
art.
Number 53. Who's pressing it?
He was your first.
Who's pressing it?
Oh no. It's a feeling.
We're actually getting close to it, I think. I actually forget how much time there is left.
Choose who pushes the button next.
That's crazy.
Who's gonna hit it next? Okay, I'll choose.
Yeah, so, well, I mean, you can pick.
I pick myself.
There it is. There it is. The challenge is over.
Oh, you're so disgusting, right? Hug you.
That's amazing. That's amazing. It took a grand total of 54 presses. Or 53.
You have 2 brothers. Which one's your favorite now?
Carl.
All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye. And there you have it, Carl.
Subscribe or get slime.
$1,000 if you haven't already hit the-
Alright. And that was that's a wild but amazing video, okay? So, until then, guys, subscribed, and I'll see you later.